Hello guys, I'm Devaka back with another new cool video, and in this cool video I'm going to show the differences between Oxygen OS 10 and Oxygen OS 11. So without wasting any more for the time, let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to read the disclaimer from the description box. So if you are done with that, let's get started. Here I have the Oxygen OS 11 on my left and 10 on my right. You can notice some changes with brightness slider and manage option, and we get a dedicated separate clear all option on the 11. Now talking about the settings, there is a big change compared to 10, and all these changes in the notification panel, status bar and settings are derived from One UI, and all thanks to it for making my phone operatable even on a single hand. Talking about the one major update, we get Android 11 on Oxygen OS 11 and Android 10 is present on Oxygen OS 10. Now if your phone is running on Android 11, then OnePlus Contacts app is going to run perfectly on your phone. So no worries regarding OnePlus Contacts. We have all new real-end look for customizations, and I have already made a video regarding that, so you can check it out from the link in the description box. And for now, they have aligned the accent color, system icon, icon packs and font in inside itself. Talking about the camera, we have direct option to change the aspect ratio from the top of the photo mode. And on the video mode, we get a direct toggle button to switch between 4K to 1080p and 30fps to 60fps. But to switch from 1080p 60 to 4K, you need to first switch to 1080p 30, then to 4K, because 4K 60fps isn't supported on OnePlus Nord. More in depth, it's not supported by IMX586 sensor. All the remaining things are same in the video mode, like super stable mode and flash options are right away available on top from the edges. And switching between the aspect ratio is given in the 3 dots. Talking about the macro lens, it's a bit improved compared to the previous one. Filters and Google Lens options are available at the bottom, and rest all remains same. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you have any doubts, don't forget to join our Telegram group discussion group and ask them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit a like and share this video to your friends. And lastly, subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to see many more cool videos like this related to OnePlus Nord. So thanks for watching guys, I'm Devaka signing off, and I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.